Jai Shri and Hare Krishna. Hope all my group members, everybody is okay. Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, N. Sitaraman, Piyush Goyal, Ashwini Vaishnav, Yogi, Rekha Gupta, Fadnavis, Nitin Gadkari. Listen, you are doing the great work. Push the education, economy and export. Three things we need to push and push. We are doing the great things. Still, we need a spiritual knowledge. In the same time, we need a skills as well. So do not forget all the gurus, spiritual leaders. Just tell them, push the next generation on our skills and education. Science, technology, engineering, maths, and one of the best English we have to have in the Indians. We need to push the English. Science, technology, engineering, maths, all the innovations is going to come from there. Learn from China. China push it. We need to push to the next level now. We need to take over from G7 and Europe as well. India need to lead, and we can lead it. We have some of the best brain in our generation. Z is very ambitious. They are awesome generation Z. I've been walking in the street. I've been looking the generation, and they are awesome angels. All the girls, they are extremely. I got the Veda from the Pune, and see, we have Queen from Chandigarh. I have my own group, and all the girls, Priyanka, then Veda, Anjali, then Queen from Punjab. All the girls, they are doing an awesome work in the UK. So we need to push, because next generation, when I was young, we never bothered about the skills. World is being changed. If you want to bring the new innovation from the world, from India, we need to push. And only 4-5 subjects: science, engineering, technology, maths, and English. 5 things. We are going to be number one in the world. No one is going to stop. We have the history, some of the best brain we have from the India. Even USA, G7, Europe, if you see all the doctors, engineers, PhD, professors, you name it, all the consulting from Deloitte, KPMG, then Ernst & Young, McKinsey, Boston Consulting, you name it. All our brain is sitting there. We just need to push, and we need to talk a little bit more about skills. Education, export and economy. Push. Team Modi, Shah, Yogi, Rekha Gupta, Gadkari. Gadkari is an awesome politician. He is one of the best in the world who knows how to get the project done. He got domain expertise, 8 PhD. He got 8 PhD in project management. No one in the world can have it. So he's one of the best infrastructure builders we have in. It's a blessing to India, BJP, and 1.4 billion Indian. And the leadership of Team Modi, an awesome leader we have. 5,000 years after Krishna, we never had Modi like a leader. So Modi is an angel. He's one of the best leader in the last 5,000 years. I haven't seen the leader like him. So keep pushing. We're doing an awesome work in the world. All the innovation. We need to take over China, G7 and Europe as well. Manufacturing we need to push. R&D we need to push. And the generation Z, we need to train them to take an interest. It takes a little bit longer time, but R&D, if you take a little bit interest into research and development, you are going to have the best opportunity. You can be a good consultant, you can be a freelance worker, you can be a good professor, teacher, you name it. You can lead the world by having domain expertise. The time is gone. Okay, you can't have just one thing. You need to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 PhD to lead the world. You need to greedy about education. I got 2 friends, Hiren Padya and Hiranand Savlani, both got CA, CS and ICW. They clear in 1992, 20, 25, 26, 30 years ago. They both clear the 3 exams, 3 professional qualification, CA, CS and ICWA. So we need to push Generation Z, keep learning and keep learning. Crack that some of the toughest exams like a CAT, GMAT, IITG, UPSC, CFA, CIMA, then CIP, CIPA, CIPFA, CA. Some of the best exams we have in the world. So just crack it, be focused, and start from the young age, from the age of 4. There are awesome examples we have. Jaya Kishori, Devi Chitralika, then the Pihu and Ariba, I'm not sure, one of the guy from the South India. Young couples, both is youngest lovers, but they are extremely awesome in singing. So we have the Generation Z, we just need to start training from young age. So keep learning and keep pushing. Generation Z, we need to push them to look more ambitious. Have 3, 4, 5 PhD. Until the age of 60, 70, keep learning. Have another PhD. Have another master. Don't spend the money on education. Ask for scholarship. Because if you ask for scholarship, you don't have to pay a penny for the education. It's just hard work, nothing else. I'm old, but all the young generation, I'm going to push you to the next level. And we know all those who join the group, we know we are the 1% of the group. So our group is one of the best in the world. All the people, they're very ambitious. We do 1%. We do the best work. 99.9% people can't do the job. This is what I'm going to train you. So don't look for work. Work comes to you. Okay? And I will do what the best I can to keep you going. And all the help is available. So if you're stuck somewhere, ask for help. We will help you. Thank you. And keep waiting for the next video. Thank you.